ಸ್ನೇಹಿತರೆ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ. ನಾನು ಜಯಪ್ರಕಾಶ್ ನಾಗತಿಹಳ್ಳಿ. ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಂದು ಜೀವನ ಕೌಶಲ್ಯ ನಮ್ಮ ಜೀವನದಲ್ಲಿ ತುಂಬ ಮುಖ್ಯ. ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಡಿಸಿಷನ್ ಮೇಕಿಂಗ್, ನಿರ್ಧಾರ ಕೈಗೊಳ್ಳುವಿಕೆ ತುಂಬಾ ಮುಖ್ಯ. ನಾವು ಪ್ರತಿನಿತ್ಯ ಅನೇಕ ನಿರ್ಧಾರಗಳನ್ನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತೇವೆ. ಶಾರ್ಟ್ ಟರ್ಮ್, ಮೀಡಿಯಮ್ ಟರ್ಮ್, ಲಾಂಗ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ ಹೀಗೆಲ್ಲ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತೇವೆ. ನಮ್ಮ ಶೇಖರ್ ಅವರು ಈ ವಿಷಯದ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ ಕೇಳೋಣ. ನಮ್ಮ ಪಾರ್ಟಿಸಿಪೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಸುಮಾರು ಜನ ಈ ವಿಷಯದ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಮಾತಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಕೊನೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಮತ್ತೆ ನಾನು ಬರ್ತೇನೆ. ಎಸ್ ಶೇಖರ್, ಬನ್ನಿ.
ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ. Decision making is a process of identifying the solution. So before making the decisions, we should know about we should have that variety of choices. If I take this kind of decision, what could be the result? So all the way we have to analyze and we have to take a decision. Taking decision, it should be good for the organization, and we should know before taking the decision that the decision how the result will give, what kind of result we will get. That is very important. So making decision is very, very important even in our personal life or in our professional life. Before taking decision, we should analyze about that particular project or particular job or whatever it is, wherever you want to take a decision, we should know clearly, thoroughly about that particular knowledge. So yeah, this is what I want to tell you. Thank you. Next, Mr. Yatish will continue this.
Decision making is basically taking responsibility for your action. Many people will always say that I was forced to take a decision. Someone took a decision on my behalf. We try to blame the other people for the decisions that are imposed on us. So you should be able to decide by looking at all the parameters, all the things that are there, the environment that is there, and then you take a decision. And most important thing is not only the decision, you accept your decision and you accept the responsibility the decision puts on you, and you are responsible and you should stand by your decision, and that makes it a good decision and that makes you a good leader. Whether you fail because of the decision, whether you succeed is immaterial, but the decision should be owned by you. That is what will take you further steps away. Now, let us see what Mr. Tippeswamy will say.
Namaste. The decision making is one of the leadership qualities. A leader, definitely he requires a decision making quality. He requires right decision in a right place, in a right time he has to take to make it a very grand success. School children, by high school, 8th, 9th, 10th, they have to make plan what they have to become in the future. They have to set a goal, whether they have to become doctor, engineer, lawyer, what they have to become. They have to make plan. After SSLC, right decision they have to take, whether they have to go for science subject or arts, commerce, what subject they have to take. After finishing HCPS in PUC, when he is going to degree, I missed, I want to become doctor, miss, you can't become, because you have taken HCPS, you have taken. You would have taken PCMB subject, you would have taken. Dear friends, our great leader, Gandhiji, he started his career in India in the year 1919. After the death of Balagangadhara Tilak, he gave entry as a great freedom fighter in India. He has taken super decisions. When to start civil disobedience movement, when to start non-cooperation movement, when to start salt satyagraha, when to go for a quit India movement. Super decision he has taken. Because of that, without shedding a blood, a drop of blood, we got freedom. Jai Gandhiji. Now, Priyank is going to share his views.
Thank you, sir. So, I want to submit that all great leaders are decision makers. Sometimes as an individual also, we will be thinking whether to continue to work in our present job or to start our own office or business. Here also, the decision-making process plays an important role. We have to select whether we need safety or prosperity. If we want safety, then we have to continue in our present job, or if we want prosperity, then we need to take some risk and make a quick decision. Even in politics, for example, Narendra Modi took a quick decision of imposing a lockdown at the time of corona outbreak last year. If he had not taken that quick decision, then the corona might have spread fastly when there was no medicine, no idea to the doctors. So it played a very because of his leadership skills, he had that decision-making skills. He took that quick decision and saved many lives. And even in cricket, a captain has to take a quick decision on field placement, which plays an important role in winning the match. Henceforth, I submit that decision-making process is an important and important habit which we need to inculcate in our life. Thank you. Now, Lokesh will speak on decision-making.
ಹಲೋ, ನಿರ್ಣಯ ಅನ್ನೋದು ಜೀವನದಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರಮುಖವಾದ ಅಂಶ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು. ನಾವು ಒಂದು ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡೋದೇ ಆಗಲಿ, ನಾವು ಒಂದು ಹಲವಾರು ಸಾಮಾಜಿಕ ಕಾರ್ಯ ಮಾಡೋದೇ ಆಗಲಿ, ಮತ್ತು ಈಗ ಹಾಸ್ಪಿಟ್ಲಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಆಪ್ರೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂದರೆ ಒಂದು ಸರ್ಜನ್ನು ಡಿಸಿಷನ್ ಬೇಗ ತಗೊಂಡು ಇವ್ರಿಗೆ ಆರೋಗ್ಯ ಅಂದರೆ ಅನಾರೋಗ್ಯ ಆಗಿರೋ ಇವ್ರಿಗೆ ಬೇಗ ಆಪ್ರೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಅದು ಬೇಗ ಸಕ್ಸಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು.
ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ. ನಿರ್ಧಾರ ಅಂದರೆ ನಾವು ಸಮಾಜದಲ್ಲಿ ಬಹು ಮುಖ್ಯ ಪಾತ್ರ. ಏನಕ್ಕಪ್ಪ ಅಂತಂದರೆ ಸೋಲು ಗೆಲುವು, ಲಾಭ ನಷ್ಟ ಅದನ್ನು ನಿರ್ಧರಿಸೋದೇ ನಿರ್ಧಾರ. ನಾವು ರಾಜಕೀಯದಲ್ಲಾಗಲಿ ಯಾವ ಪಕ್ಷವನ್ನು ಆಯ್ಕೆ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು, ಯಾವ ನಿರ್ಧಾರವನ್ನು ತೆಗೆದುಕೊಳ್ಬೇಕು, ಅದ್ರ ಮೇಲೆ ನಾವು ನಿಂತಿರ್ತೀವಿ. ಒಂದು ಕಂಪ್ನಿ ನಡೆಸಬೇಕಾದ್ರೂ ಸಹ ಅಷ್ಟೇ, ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಲಾಭ ನಷ್ಟದ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಯೋಚನೆ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಸರಿಯಾದ ನಿರ್ಧಾರಗಳನ್ನ ತಗೋಬೇಕಾಗತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಆದ ಕಾರಣ ನಾವು ನಿರ್ಧಾರವನ್ನು ಬಲಿಷ್ಠವಾಗಿ ಬಹುಬೇಗ ತಗೊಳ್ಬೇಕಾಗತ್ತೆ ಅಂತೇಳಿ.
ಓಕೆ, ಎಲ್ಲ ಸ್ನೇಹಿತರು ತುಂಬ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಸೊಗಸಾಗಿ ಅವರವರ ಅನಿಸಿಕೆಗಳನ್ನು ಅಭಿಪ್ರಾಯಗಳನ್ನು ತಿಳಿಸಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ನಿರ್ಧಾರ ನನಗೆ ಸದ್ಯಕ್ಕೆ ತೆಗೆದುಕೊಳ್ಳಲ್ಲ ಅನ್ನೋದು ಕೂಡ ಒಂದು ನಿರ್ಧಾರ. ಸೊ ನಾವು ಅದನ್ನು ಅರ್ಥ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ಸಣ್ಣ ಪುಟ್ಟ ನಿರ್ಧಾರಗಳಿಂದ ಹಿಡಿದು ದೊಡ್ಡ ದೊಡ್ಡ ನಿರ್ಧಾರಗಳನ್ನು ಮಾಡುವ ಮುಂಚೆ ನಾವು ಬರೀ 360 ಡಿಗ್ರಿ ಆ್ಯಂಗಲ್ ಅಲ್ಲ, 720 ಡಿಗ್ರಿ ಆ್ಯಂಗಲಲ್ಲಿ ಬೇರೆ ಬೇರೆ ಆ್ಯಂಗಲಲ್ಲಿ ಯೋಚನೆ ಮಾಡಿ ವಿಚ್ ಮೇ ಬಿ ದಿ ಬೆಸ್ಟ್ ಪ್ರಾಬಬಿಲಿಟಿ, ಯಾವುದು ಸರಿ ಯಾವುದು ತಪ್ಪು ಎನ್ನುವುದನ್ನು ನಿರ್ಧರಿಸೋದು ತುಂಬ ಮುಖ್ಯ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸ್ನೇಹಿತರೆ, ನಮ್ಮೆಲ್ಲ ವಿಚಾರಗಳು ನಿಮಗೆ ಹೇಗೆ ಅನ್ನಿಸ್ತು ದಯಮಾಡಿ ಕಾಮೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಲೈಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ, 4-6 ಜನಕ್ಕೆ ಶೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಜಯಪ್ರಕಾಶ್ ನಾಗ್ತಿಹಳ್ಳಿ ಯೂಟ್ಯೂಬ್ ಚಾನಲ್ನ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಮಾಡೋದನ್ನು ಮರಿಲೇಬೇಡಿ. ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ.